So what do you want to do today? Huh? Besides open those beautiful eyes. Huh? Look at your little feet. Yes. What do you want to do today, huh? Huh? Oh. I love you. I love you. Yes. Very much. Yes. More than anything in the whole world. Oh. Okay. We'll take a nap. Okay. Okay. Okay.